my lovelies, and welcome to my channel. This is Leanne from Resin Shine Creations, and I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I am sticking again with brown and blue, and I will try to pour resin coasters in different technique so the colors interact a bit more with each other. And yes, I already premixed my resin, and today I am trying out a new resin, and this is a resin from Just For You Online UK with the yellow label. So we'll see how it goes. So far I can't judge it, except is again on a thick side, and I would say mixing up it gives quite few bubbles. So yeah, I divided it into cups and I will give them the colors blue and brown. And yeah, and for my middles I'm using these beautiful micro flakes from Resin 8. I will be sticking once again with blue and gold, and I'm mixing up in this small pot so they are all ready to add later. So if you found this video useful so far, please click a like, and if you like videos about resin, then consider to subscribe. I do upload twice a week, every Wednesday and Saturday, and there is always new to see for you. So I am using once again these colors because a few videos ago I tried out brown and blue, and these coasters came out great, but it wasn't what I had visualized in my mind. So this time I'm trying again in different technique, as I mentioned before. So this is the mold that I'm using today, and I am starting again. I was arguing with myself with which color I should start, and I decided to go with a brown. So yeah, here I go, and I will put some music in the background and let you enjoy this pour, and see you in a bit. And of course, I use some torch to pop the bubbles. Yes, I find this resin has quite a few bubbles coming up. But as predicted, every time I get a new resin to try, you need to learn how to work with it. Maybe next time I will try to preheat it a bit in the hot bath so it releases some bubbles. And now I added the middle and I had a little bit resin left, so I decided to make these little hearts as well. It is a great way not to waste your resin that you have a little bit in your pot. So because I didn't know how much resin to mix for these 4 coasters, in the big pot I had left some more resin and it was just enough to make the 5th coaster. So in a bit I will show you. I was attempting for the first time to make the flower technique. The resin was getting thicker and I thought, yeah, why not? I give it a go. So I poured transparent in the mold and now I'm popping the bubbles and I had a little bit left, so I added a white pigment. Oh yeah, I had a bit of glitter on the sides because I find it a bit annoying when you make the flower and the flower goes in the center, leaving the edges bare. So I thought to add a little bit of glitter around. And yes, in the other side, you can see how the brown is going in the middle. And now I am drawing the flower and I'm feeling good because I thought that it will come out fantastic. So I just use up the rest of the resin and that's it. Leave them to cure and we'll come back after 24 hours to see what we got. And here is the next day and they are all cured and nice. And it's time to take them out. And as you can see, I knew that this is going to be the top for these coasters. Yeah, you see the back is not so nice. And I like how the colors mixed and I'm very happy. And because I knew that this is going to be top, and while resin still was quite tacky, I came and added some more mica gold flakes, so my centers are more defined, because the other mica flakes, they all sunk and they are appearing more on the other side. But anyway, I'm happy how it turned out. And yeah, I will paint the edges gold and then we'll see how they look at the end. Yeah, nothing special on the back side. And right now, right here, I was really excited to get out my fifth coaster because I'm very curious how it's going to look and if I manage to achieve the flower pattern or not. And these are the little hearts that are going to become key rings. Not too shabby for our left resin. And now the drum roll, please. I am very, very excited to see. I like this side, it's quite cute, but I was hoping for this side to be with a beautiful flower pattern. But, well, not this time. It didn't happen. I don't know, maybe I add too much white. And here are the finished results. And I'm very happy how they turn out, how the colors mixed. Yeah, but I'm still curious if I started with blue color, how they would look then. So maybe next video is going to be like that. So if you found this video useful and entertaining, please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye.